Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to talk today about embrace.
We are going to see 3 different options for embrace: open embrace, close embrace, and reverse. So let's do this. Alright, in this first option we are going to see open embrace, which also is used mostly for salon style. And we'll show you first. We offer the arm, and we are going to have the connection of, for him, his right side is on her shoulder blade, on her left shoulder blade, right under her shoulder blade.
So our energies are opening, and we are going to keep always this distance for the open embrace. If you notice, the hand is in the middle of the couple, not covering anyone's face, and also in the middle of a shoulders level. So I'm a little shorter, and he's taller, so that will be in the middle, and also in the middle on this way. So it's not on his side or on my side. We look for the center, and we keep the hands on the center.
Yes. So this again is used mostly for salon style. Also, we have another point of connection, which is her elbow. Since she's engaging her lat, we're having another point of connection. So we have my hand on her under her shoulder blade, elbow, her hand can be on my shoulder blade without pressing much, but another point of connection. And then the last one, his left with her right.
Now let's go to close embrace. For close embrace, I'm leaning a little bit on him with my left side, so I get closer on my left, reaching his right side of the torso. I'm lifting my torso, rib cage is pushing a little bit forward, and I feel that same connection from him. So very close embrace on my left side, his right side, and then we go to the other side. Now the head, I can have it here, or I can face to my right. I can touch a little bit his face, but we have to be careful not to put a lot of weight on the forehead, on his face, because that will be not a nice feeling for the leader. So I'm trying to get the connection close, but not leaning too much with my face. And the energy of the arms still is pulling. So even in close embrace, the frame is pulling, and we are very connected on the upper body. This is from where I receive the leads, and this is from where he connects from the chest to the follower.
For the leader, again, having the same points of connection, we are, like Miriam was mentioning, giving her pressure, yes? Without leaning on her, we are leaning a little bit, but without really collapsing, yes? The intention is forward, just to have a little contact. And from here, when we offer, again, the same thing. We are having connection by pulling, yes? What it will do is, by opening our shoulder blades back and elongating our collarbone, we can be extremely close without collapsing in our partner, yes? So here we can be as close as we want without really bothering our partner. Another tip here is that we can the hand is under her right shoulder blade, not on top, a little bit under. Yes, that will be more comfortable for her. In this third option, it is reverse embrace, and it's mostly used for choreography, for stage and for performances. So let us show you very quick how it looks. Here, if you notice, we are having a point of connection with my center, my core, on her shoulder blade. That point is very important, especially from her, that she will pull back. So we have a point of connection, and from there we can lead. So basically, we have, for us leaders, our right forearm embracing, our left on her hand, and the point of connection with our rib cage.
For the followers, as Leo was mentioning, I had my left shoulder blade pushing back, giving him connection. So also I feel that lead from there. His lead, when he walks forward, I feel it on that point, my shoulder blade on my left side. So my hand, my right hand is on top of his hand. So my left hand is connected with his left hand. So I have right and left, on his right, on his left. And I try to keep again lifting my rib cage, lifting the torso, elongating the neck, and try to keep that connection with him, pushing the shoulder a little bit back. So I feel when he moves, when he stops, when he leads, when he lifts, or when he lowers the position. And we use this embrace mostly for performances or exhibitions, and it's called reverse tango.
Not to be used at the social dancing.
Thank you very much. Hope you can enjoy the video and try the 3 options for the embrace. Sometimes people choose one option. They dance all in close embrace. Sometimes they dance all in open embrace.
Yep.
Sometimes for performances, of course, you can go to reverse embrace and normal or front embrace. But in social dancing, mostly is close embrace and open embrace. And sometimes some people alternate, right?
Yep, absolutely. We normally in our dance, we alternate from close and open embrace. And sometimes even when we are performing, we use the reverse.
Can you share with the leaders why you use close embrace and open embrace and you alternate during one dance, for example, sometimes?
Yes, I normally use that. It's because depending on the figure, I like to have a wide variety of options. Not only close embrace figures, I like to alternate with open embrace figures. And at the milonga, of course, not reverse. But on the stage, yes, if the music requires to do something like that, of course, we are going to use it.
Thank you so much and hope to see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.